Welcome. Today, we are going to learn how to set loyalty cards. Some hotels or restaurants might provide loyalty cards for some privileged guests. Based on the type of the card, guests can avail discount whenever they visit the hotel or restaurants. By using this option, user can define the loyalty card types. Select module point of sale from the PMS. Select submodule guest history from point of sale. Double-click the option Set up loyalty cards under guest history. Click the Add button to add a new type of loyalty card. In the card type field, enter a code to identify the loyalty card. Code can be a maximum of 3-digit numeric code. In the card description field, enter the name of the loyalty card. Select the status as active. Click the Save button to save the entered information. Click the Modify button to modify any details of existing loyalty cards. Enter the card type or double-click the Help icon in the card type field to select from the existing card types. Modify the appropriate information. Click the Save button to update the entered information. Now a new loyalty card is defined and modified. Click Exit to exit from the program. Thank you.